It's Thursday morning on the farm. Last night, TV presenter Terry Christian became the second celebrity to get the chop. Rapper Rob Van Winkle and ex-boy band star Ritchie Neville have been woken as usual by the farmhand's personal alarm call.
What the fuck is the deal with roosters? I don't know.
Take a break and let's go and do the sheep's foot.
Fuck taking a break.
No,
I'm taking no break. I want him out working. And if he fucking don't, I'm going, mate. Because he's mugging me off. Fucking mugging me off, big time.
I do understand how he feels. I really do.
Yeah, no, I do.
I think he does everything for the right reasons, but we're all different and working
He's got a point. Inside his head,
yeah.
he's 100% right.
He's not wrong.
Yeah, definitely.
He isn't wrong.
He's not wrong, but he's just...
It's just going to bring us down, do you know what I mean?
Really, man?
No way!
Oh, Stanley.
Oh, Stan.
Not making a big deal. Kiss.
Oh, please.
Kiss a kiss.
Stan, sit and think about it.
We should, man.
Take
it easy, dude.
I don't know.
Wow.
Have a think about it, Stan.
Oh, Stan.
Oh, Stan. It won't. Oh, Stan.
I don't know.
He's disappeared.
Rebecca, did you have a talk to him this morning? Pride.
Yeah, I'm trying, but it's difficult with him, you know?
Yeah.
Has anyone got a light on them?
Wow, that was unexpected. Just out of the blue, huh?
Yeah, I just thought he was having one of his usual eruptions and they'll... Oh, all right.
Okay.
Ah.
All this gore, if you like. So just come in. Now, what we're going to do, I'm going to ask you, Ritchie, if you would, to just come to this side and hold that up, or hold it away from me, if you would. That's it. That's it. Good hands-on approach there.
It's just not very nice being right next to where he used to live, though, is it? And his mates are just round the corner.
But they can't see it.
But see, you've got to... Okay with that, Ritchie?
Yeah. And this is how you get your meat, right?
Correct.
As a whole animal.
Yeah. If you get it in whole, you know where it's come from.
Yeah.
It's got all the ID marks on it.
Yeah.
So why are there some...
I'll go first, Ritchie.
Steve, why are his front legs pink?
To let the heat out.
Ritchie wears an iron safety glove to prevent an accident.
What we're going to do is, Ritchie, we're going to cut along there. So just cut through the meat until you feel the bone.
Here, yeah?
Yeah, that sort of angle. If I do that, that's it.
It's right on the
That's
bone
it.
there.
That's good. Now we're going to saw through.
That's to start you off.
Yeah, I'll start you off on the sawing. So just a gentle...
Would you normally use an electric saw for this?
No. No, normally, hand saw, that's fine, that's enough. Cut through, Ritchie. There's no bone there
All
now.
the way down,
Yeah,
yeah?
nice gentle strokes. That's it. And with the left hand, just pull it out slightly. Pull the leg, that's it. Lovely. All right, that's a big leg. Yeah, there's plenty of meat on that.
Despite her misgivings, Rebecca picks up the chopper and has a go.
Now. Let's take it in stages then.
So just the front bit and then make my way back?
Absolutely
like what
right.
you did?
But instead of using the tip, because if you're using the tip, it'll move.
Use the heel.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's it.
Oops, I'm
Okay.
fucking this one up a bit.
No. What was it? So,
let me just try it, yeah?
go on then. Okay, you're through. That's it. May I?
I think this is more for mincemeat than anything else.
Lovely.
Getting better.
Thank you.
Well done, Bex.
The half pig provides pork chops, spare ribs, diced pork, steaks and a pork joint that can feed the farmhands for up to a week.
I'm Nilla, the funky rhyme killer, the dope song diller, ready to pillar. Cap of a whack MC, there's no whack in me, cause I'm on the farm stuck here, G. Trying to step like you're all that. In fact, you know you need to search for some big contacts. You got them big bifocals, word, looking like a hip-hop nerd.
Yes, darling.
That's you, that is. Hip-hop nerd.
Farm manager Rebecca returns from the outhouse with a special recorded farewell message from Stan.
They all know.
It's coming on, guys.
Will be.
Keep your chin up first and foremost. keep entertaining, keep grinding. Margie, Jeff, top man. Rob, top man. Even though you could do a little bit more work, mate. But,
what do you say? You do a little bit more work.
I'm just going because I've just got to look at the bigger picture for me. I hope you understand. It's nothing personal. Entertain yourselves. Do the washing up.
Hey, look, just big enough for yours, Rob.
Oh, yeah, right. We're going to have to spread that out.
Clint.
You have just artificially inseminated your first Sam.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Cheers.
Well done, Jeff.
It's a doddle.
It's the evening, and the boys are barbecuing some food for tonight's dinner. Jeff's pink jumper sparks a debate about men's fashion.
You and your pink eyes odd. What have you got on?
I ain't never lying.
What have you got on?
You and your fairy boy suit.
You and your shell suit top.
Yeah, fly away, fairy.
Yeah. Go back to the market.
Go back to Oxford.
Pikey.
Fucking queer. Check
So
out
different.
Oxford.
Check out
There you
Forsyth.
are, you're looking on very Oxford, mate.
Ah, we should have got him dressed up as Forsyth or Jimmy or something.
Definitely.
That would have been funny.
Go on, can you do this,
My
please?
balls
Rob,
itch.
Rob,
You
just do
scratch
this
them
for
for
me.
me.
Watch me and then repeat after me exactly how I do it. Nice to see you. To see you. Nice.
Do it, do it. Do it.
I can't even do it. But don't say the last nice to see you.
No, nice to see you. To see you. Nice.
But you don't. You go. Nice to see you. To see you. And we go.
Nice.
Is that the plan?
Come on, do it.
Yeah.
Nice to see you.
To see you.
To see you.
Nice.
Nah, you ain't got it.
Yeah,
I'm not
yeah,
I
having
don't
it.
get it. Fuck, I don't know who he is, dude.
But listen to me.
Flip our burgers.
You are very unwilling.
Keep squilling. You'll be on this grill next week.
But when the boys join in, the choreographed routine descends into chaos.
You got to sit us on chairs and you got to do the one round the chair.
We're not finished yet.
Yeah. This is just the introduction.
Yeah, there's more to come yet, boys.
Okay, but Jeff, can the girls have a drink, please?
Yes.
Yeah. Right, are you ready?
We're ready.
Let's get the beat going.
Impressed with the girls' routine, the boys follow suit.
How much out of 10 should we give them?
That's not yet, we ain't finished yet.
Oh, my God.
Come on, even peel the banana. Peel the banana. Peel the banana. Take a bite.
It's not big enough.
What's the privates there, buddy?
Trying to fuck your balloon off.
Right, girls, what would you like us to do next? Let's do requests.
I request.
Strip.
I think shoulder massage.
Strip.
Yeah, strip. Okay.
Yes.
Right. There's your bottle.
Right.
There's your bottle. These are instruments. Let's have a little beat. T-shirt. Check this out. Loving the T-shirt. is gonna get you hot. This is gonna get you wet. This is gonna get you wild. Girls, you ready for this one? Give me more beat. Give me more beat. Give me more beat.